Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've just taken your Jetson scooter out of storage or recently transported it in its folded position, you might be wondering how to properly unfold it before your next ride. Fortunately, the Jetson scooter is designed with convenience in mind, making the setup process quick and straightforward. Taking a few moments to unfold the scooter correctly can help ensure stability and a safer riding experience. Before heading out, it's always a good idea to verify that every locking mechanism is properly secured. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help you unfold your Jetson scooter correctly and get ready for the road. Try these. Step 1. Place the Jetson scooter on a flat and stable surface. Step 2. Release the folding latch found on the Jetson scooter. Step 3. Raise the handlebar stem of the Jetson scooter into the upright position. Step 4. Secure the locking mechanism on the Jetson scooter firmly in place. Step 5. Inspect the Jetson scooter to make sure all parts are aligned properly. Step 6. Confirm that the Jetson scooter is fully unfolded and ready for use.